Hi, I'm John Persinos, editorial director of Investing Daily. I'm also the editor-in-chief of the premium trading service, Marijuana Profit Alert. Welcome to my weed report for Tuesday, July 9. Amid state-level legalization and commercialization efforts in the U.S., Colorado has emerged as a bellwether with many lessons for lawmakers and investors. In this video, I spotlight the status of weed in the Rocky Mountain state. Colorado has played a pivotal role in the history of marijuana legalization in America. As one of the first states to legalize marijuana for recreational use, Colorado has set a precedent and provided a blueprint for other states considering similar moves. In 2000, voters approved Amendment 20, which allowed the use of medical marijuana for patients with certain conditions. The biggest turning point came in 2012 with the passage of Amendment 64, which legalized the possession, use, and regulated sale of marijuana for recreational purposes. This landmark decision made Colorado, along with Washington, one of the first states in the nation to legalize recreational marijuana. The amendment passed with 55% of the vote, reflecting a significant shift in public attitudes towards cannabis. Colorado's demographic and electoral makeup played a crucial role. The state has a diverse and relatively young population with a significant number of residents who lean towards progressive and libertarian values. Following the legalization of recreational marijuana, Colorado quickly established a regulatory framework for the industry. In January 2014, the first retail marijuana stores opened their doors. The state implemented a comprehensive system to regulate cultivation, distribution, and sales, setting standards for product quality and safety. The economic impact of marijuana legalization in Colorado has been substantial. The state has generated significant tax revenue from cannabis sales, which has been allocated to various public services, including education, healthcare, and infrastructure. By 2023, Colorado had collected over $2 billion in tax revenue from marijuana sales. Colorado's marijuana market has also created jobs and stimulated local economies. The industry encompasses a wide range of sectors, from cultivation and retail to manufacturing and tourism. Marijuana-related tourism, in particular, has become a notable aspect of Colorado's appeal, attracting visitors from around the world. Other states look to Colorado's experiences to gauge the potential outcomes of their own legalization efforts. 24 states in the U.S. have legalized recreational marijuana, and 38 have legalized medical marijuana, in both cases also including D.C., with many other states considering similar measures for the next November 2024 election. The state's approach to taxation, public safety, and consumer education serves as a guide for lawmakers and regulators. By studying Colorado's successes and challenges, other states can make informed decisions about their own marijuana policies. That said, marijuana sales have leveled off in Colorado. However, this trend is a natural progression and shouldn't necessarily worry marijuana investors. The moderation in marijuana sales in states like Colorado, where the industry initially experienced rapid growth, can be attributed to several factors. When marijuana was first legalized in the country, there was a significant initial surge in sales due to novelty and pent-up demand. Over time, this surge naturally stabilized as the market matured. As more dispensaries open and more products become available, the market, it reaches a point of saturation. Initial explosive growth is unlikely to continue indefinitely, leading to a more stable, albeit slower, growth rate. Changes in taxation and regulations can impact sales. For instance, increases in taxes can dampen sales, as consumers might turn to the black market or other states with lower taxes. As marijuana becomes more normalized, the initial curiosity and novelty wear off. This leads to more consistent but less explosive sales patterns. Increased competition leads to price wars, which can reduce overall revenue growth even if unit sales remain strong. As more states legalize marijuana, consumers have more options. This can dilute the sales in early adopter states like Colorado, as people no longer need to travel there to purchase cannabis legally. Investors should focus on the long-term growth potential of the industry rather than short-term fluctuations. The industry is diversifying with new products such as edibles, concentrates, CBD products, etc., new consumer demographics, older adults, medical patients, and new market segments, wellness, recreational, etc. This diversification helps sustain growth. And as you can see from this chart, Colorado is in that list of states that claim more than $1 billion a year in marijuana sales. Colorado ranks 5th. The moderation of marijuana sales in states like Colorado is a natural part of the market's evolution, from novelty to normalization. Initial overvaluation followed by correction, it's a common phenomenon in new markets. The long-term potential remains robust as legalization spreads and new products and markets continue to develop in the cannabis industry. Colorado continues to influence the national conversation on cannabis policy and offers valuable insights for the future of the industry. In the meantime, for my publication Marijuana Profit Alert, I've put together a portfolio of the best of breed marijuana equities. These holdings are poised to soar during this political season. If you're fortunate enough to own these companies, you'll reap a windfall. Don't leave money on the table. Make your move now before the investment herd. To learn about my next trades, click the URL at the bottom of the article that accompanies this video on the Investing Daily website. Well, that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching.